Hello class, today you will be learning about the geometry of triangles. So triangles are actually really important in the real world, and you probably see them almost every day. They're in bridges, and they're in bicycles. Here, I'll hand around these pictures so you can see. And they're in so many things because they can hold a ton of weight without collapsing. Now there are three major types of triangles we'll be learning about today, and I've drawn them on the board here. I was wondering if anyone had any observations about these triangles. Yes, Akili?
They all have three sides.
Huh, that's really interesting. Anyone else? Yes, Clara?
They're all made up of straight lines.
Wow, that's a really good observation. So these triangles actually have really special names too, and we will start with the first one in the middle. This is called the isosceles triangle. And that's a pretty weird name, so why don't we just repeat that on three? 1, 2, 3. Isosceles. So the isosceles triangle has two equal sides, and that's what makes it different from every other triangle out there. Yes, Jason?
But what if it has three equal sides? Does that make it another type of isosceles triangle?
Actually, that makes it an equilateral triangle, which is this one right here. Now can we repeat that on three? 1, 2, 3. Equilateral. So the equilateral triangle has all three of its sides are equal. Finally, there is the scalene triangle, which has 0 equal sides. All right, so to practice differentiating between these triangles, I'd like you to get out the blank sheet of paper I left at your desk, and I'd like you to draw one of these three triangles, which I will erase while you're drawing so that you can't use it as a model. And then I'd like you to raise your hand and share with the class, and we will try to guess what type of triangle you drew. Thank you. All right, raise your hand when you're ready to share. Yes, Sam?
This is my triangle.
Okay, can you show it for the class? All right, so does anyone have any guesses to what shape this is? Yes, Patrick?
Isosceles, because it has two sides.
Okay, that's a good point. Does anyone else have any other ideas? Yeah, Kavri?
I think it's missing something.
Okay, yeah, so Kavri's actually onto something. So Sam, this would be an isosceles triangle, except that, here, let's see this. So except that a triangle, the definition of a triangle is that it has three sides. So because this is supposed to be a type of a triangle, you were right in writing two equal sides, but you wanted to add an extra one right at the bottom so that it would be a real triangle, okay? So to finish the lesson, I would like to show you guys a rap that I created to help you memorize how to differentiate these triangles. So I will do the rap first, and then you can join in afterwards, okay? I'll lay down the beat. Now let me tell you about triangles, no matter what their size. Equilaterals have three equal sides. Isosceles have two equal sides. Scalenes have 0 equal sides. These are the triangles we will memorize. Okay, guys, can you join in? Ready?
Yeah.
I'll do 2 beats and then you'll join in, okay? Now let me tell you about triangles, no matter what their size. Equilaterals have 3 equal sides. Isosceles have 2 equal sides. Scalenes have 0